Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Hope you all are doing well. How was your Ramadan? I hope you gathered countless blessings and made the most of this blessed month. Today, I'm sharing a special Eid breakfast recipe with you. Let's start the recipe. First, we'll prepare our special secret spice mix. 1 teaspoon of dried kusori methi, green cardamom 3, star anise 1-1/2 flower, 1 petal of mace, cloves 4, 2 long pepper, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of white cumin, cinnamon sticks 2 to 3 small sticks, 1/2 tablespoon of black peppercorn. Dry roast and grind it. One cup of ghee. 1 medium-sized onions paste. Cook until it turns golden in color. Add 3 cloves. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Cook for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Add 1/2 tablespoon of white cumin. 2 large-sized chopped tomatoes. 1/2 tablespoon of crushed red pepper. Add secret masala. Cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Add 1 cup of yogurt. Cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Salt to taste. 1/4 tablespoon of red pepper powder. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 300 grams of chicken. Cook it thoroughly on low heat until it's nicely toasted and aromatic. "200 grams boiled chickpeas. This was boiled with baking soda, and after cooking, I've added it to the chicken along with the same water stock. I've already shared the method for boiling it in my Murgh Chhole recipe. Add 1/2 tablespoon of chicken powder. Cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Alhamdulillah, our Murgh Chhole is ready. Make this recipe for your Eid breakfast and enjoy it with your loved ones. What special dishes are prepared at your home on Eid? Do share in the comments. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet soon with another Eid recipe. Until then, Allah Hafiz.